Good morning everyone. Today I have taken an interesting as well as a boring topic for the presentation. Before telling you the topic, I'll tell you how it is interesting for us all. It is interesting for those who take entrepreneurship as their business, who want to become entrepreneurs, and boring for those for whom entrepreneurship is not their cup of tea. But today I will make this entrepreneurship topic an interesting topic for them also who don't want this in their life. Yeah. So, if we take a proper definition of entrepreneurship development, it means that inculcating new skills into the business. But for me, an entrepreneur is a very daring person. Is a daring person who takes the risk of entering into a business. एक रिस्क लेता है जिससे वो एक बिजनेस में आता है. रिस्क. Other business, if I talk about jobs, private sector, they are quite common. We give interview, we get selected, we enter into it. It's not that much risky. But when we take entrepreneurship, it becomes a risk. Then comes what to do next. Then every skill needs to be developed. When the part of development comes, that means डर की अगली चीज है. We take the risk, we conquer the risk, and we become entrepreneurs. And now the topic comes for entrepreneurship development. So this is the topic for today, entrepreneurship development. Inculcating the new skills of entering into the business is known as entrepreneurship development. Now, I have not mentioned the topic in my discussion in my PPTs, but the thing is, there are two types of prerequisites we can say to enter into an entrepreneur business. That is, how creative you are and how innovative you are. What is creativity? In simple words, if I take a bookish definition, it means creativity is a phenomenon whereby something new and somehow valuable is formed. Means something new also, and there should be something, it should give us something that is valuable. But if I say in my word, creativity means a way of life. It's a life. Every day, in our every entire day, we do something new. कुछ नया करते हैं, कुछ different. That is creativity. My creativity, it can be yours, it can be someone else. So, creativity means to grow. आगे बढ़ना, उसको हम कहते हैं creativity. One famous person has explained the lifelong secret of creativity. That means fail. Once you fail, then you fail again, and then you just fail better. Now you will fail in a nicer way, and that will give you a experience which will never lead to your mistakes again. So that we mean by creativity. Okay. Creativity is also prerequisite for innovation. This process we follow while we are going through creativity. That is preparation. The next comes incubation, illumination, and verification. Next. Okay. So what do we mean by preparation? When we prepare, we see the background information of it. पीछे मैंने क्या किया था? पीछे जो doing by incubation? We process the information, we think about the information every day, every night to make it successful. Then comes illumination. Illumination means the least expected idea. We have processed it. Whatever information we have processed it all. हमने सबको प्रोसेस किया. हम रात भर सोए नहीं, सोचा और हमको क्या मिला? A very least expected idea मिला कि अब हमें क्या करना है. Like we have so many examples of this. Like KFC. How KFC was formed? It was a certain idea. It didn't have a man of 65 years came with it. KFC. After the 65 years of journey of his life, he came with the idea of KFC. That is creativity. Then comes implementation and verification. Now everything we have selected, the least expected idea, we develop into a plan. And we implement that idea to test. Now we'll test the information, what will happen. We'll verify how it will happen. Yeah. Before going to the next prerequisite, I'll tell you two examples from the life of a person who is a think bank of India. Who is the think bank of India? जो बहुत सोचते हैं. कौन है वो यहाँ पे? Our Prime Minister Modi. The two examples from his life is, the first is his idea. What was his idea? What he did, he made in a desert region, he developed solar power. That desert region was Kutch and Rajasthan. ऐसी जगह जाके सोलर पावर खड़ा किया जहां से एक और भी फायदा हुआ. यही नहीं कि anybody can develop a solar power, solar panel or solar power, whatever. But the thing was, what he did creative was the place. The place was the creativity. Kutch and Rajasthan. How? Not only the process of solar power is needed, but this solar power prevented the terrorists from entering into the region of India, the terrorists of Pakistan. That was known as creativity. It's an easy process. Solar power is easy, but nobody can think of this thing. That is creativity. The next point, the next example of this creativity is, what he did? He made a statue. Not a normal statue. He made a statue of the city. Highest statue. That was of Sardar Patel. Where he did it? On Narmada River. Sardar Sarovar Dam. He made a statue. And that statue was for what? That statue was not a lifelong statue. It will not remain as a building there, as a monument. But what it will do? What that statue will do? Inside that statue we created a museum. एक म्यूजियम बना दिया स्टैचू के अंदर. और उस म्यूजियम में एक थिएटर, जिसमें we can go inside the theater, inside that statue, and we can see the life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That is creativity. Statue anybody can make. We can also make statues. But the museum and theater was this creativity. That creativity is needed in an entrepreneur to develop his skills. The next point is innovation. What does we mean by innovation? Innovation means doing something new, कुछ नया करना. और कोई भी पुरानी चीज को एक नए वे में कर डालना, उसको हम कहते हैं innovation. कुछ जैसे we can introduce a new product in the market. एक बिल्कुल total. You know what happened? When there were plastic bottles, there were bottles whose shape was straight shape. There were shampoo bottles. What happened? A man discovered that these shampoo bottles, if they will spell, it will break. अगर वो कांच की बनाती, वो गिरती, वो टूट जाती, because we have slippery hands and it will fall, obviously, while taking bath. But what he did, he made a curved shape. इनोवेशन क्या कहता है? एक चेंज लाता है, एक नया चीज हो जाता है। इनोवेशन